Is it a good idea to put someone else's business in your name? Let's get into it. What are the financial implications of putting my dad's business under my name? For example, how does it affect taxes, etc.? Any advice from those who have done it or something similar or links are greatly appreciated. What are the implications of putting someone's business in your name? Well, there are plenty. Putting someone's business in your name is you starting a business for yourself. It also means that there's another person who believes, and this most likely happens, someone who goes and starts spending money, starts making decisions without your consent. So with that being said, the tax implications are 100% yours. If there are past due taxes on the business that haven't been paid due to lack of funds, IRS is looking for you. The state, if you haven't paid any of your state taxes, franchise taxes, or any of those, that's your responsibility. Legal, let's talk legal. If there is a litigation against your company, it's your company. It has nothing to do with the person who you're doing this favor for. That person is 100% in the clear. If there is something going on in your business at all, legally, no matter what, the name on the litigation papers will be your name. If someone asks you to put your name on their business because they're trying to avoid paying something, that could possibly be fraud, and you would be helping that person commit fraud. So you would probably get in a little trouble if it were found out that you put your name on someone's business so they could avoid that issue. Using your credit. The business would be using your credit. So if that person asked you to put the business in your name, especially if they have bad credit, chances are they're not going to think about your credit as well, and you will probably end up using your credit to get the business going. If the company fails, it's your failure 100%. It's your mess to clean up. The other person gets to walk away. If there is debt, it is all your debt, not the other person. The other person gets to walk away, and you get to figure out how to clean up that mess if things go south. Finally, what is your exit strategy? I like to tell business owners, when you start a business, one of those first things you should consider is your exit strategy. How will you scale the business down so you can get out, and get out with at least your shirt on your back? Is it a good idea to put someone else's business in your name? Absolutely not. This is one of these rare videos where I just say no, no, no. Do not do it. If anyone asks you to put their business in your name, head for the hills and don't look back. Has anyone ever asked you to put their business in your name? I've had that happen on more than one occasion. Please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.